Welcome to my Learning English channel. Hello friends, I am Vishnu. You are watching my Learning English channel. In this video, we will learn how to use preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun, and preposition denotes the relation, the person or thing. 10 important prepositions: after, around, above, until, before, by, behind, between, below, down. Number 1. After. We are going out to eat after we finish our work. After the rain stopped, the dog ran to play. After you. Read after me. You are after me. Number 2. Around. The accident had happened around 9 p.m. There are around 300 trees in this area. I usually go to bed around 1 a.m. Mr. Narendra Modi has traveled around the world. Number 3. Above. Be careful, there is one supreme God above all of us. He will take care of everything. Our institute is situated above Amas Bakery. Woman above 21 years old. My teacher is above 45. Signature above the line. Number 4. Until. I will wait until she comes. We went to bed and slept until morning. I won't know until I talk to Mom. Just wait here until help arrives. Let's wait until it stops raining. Number 5. Before. He left just before sunrise. Call me before your arrival. She arrived the day before yesterday. Have we met before? I heard that before. I have seen it before. Come home before evening. I have seen you before. Number 6. By. He came by bus. Let's go by bus. He goes to school by bus. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. The dog was hit by a car. I don't go to school by bus. Did he come by bus or by train? Number 7. Behind. Don't behind me. Ganesh temple is behind my house. Please sit behind me. Number 8. Between. A good partnership between Kohli and Dhawan. He distributed his property between his 2 sons. We have a good relation with them. Number 9. Below. He placed the book below the almirah. The temperature can fall below 10 degrees Celsius. Rainfall has been below average this year. Number 10. Down. I have seen the ups and downs in my life. Calm down. Don't let me down. The server was down. Communications broke down. He came down with the fever. My car broke down on the way. Please write down what he says. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I upload new topics about spoken English every day. Thank you so much.